The last class we learned about the identities and how to apply the identities in different situations, correct? The next we're discussing about how to apply the identity in factorization. Okay, the first question, factorize 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Then what is the question? The question is 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Then we have one more method to factorize the polynomial, a quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. That one is splitting middle term method. In the case of factorization of quadratic polynomial is a splitting middle term method, correct? Then how to we analyze which method we need to apply here in the situation? That one is very easily we will identify like this. In a question we have the two variables. That all the cases we apply by using we apply the identities there. Okay. In a question we have two variables. We use the two variables in the questions. That all the cases we factorizing by using the identities. Clear? Or otherwise, sometimes we have only one variable, then how to be identified? The question is like this. Here we have the three terms. Okay. So quadratic polynomial we have the three terms. That all the questions we have the two methods to factorize the two methods. First one is splitting middle term or by identity. Then how to we identify which method we need to follow there. Okay. So for that, in this type of question means the three term, the polynomial containing the three term. First you just check the first term. First term is in the form of square. Yes. Okay. Then you just check the last term. The last term is in the form of square. If yes, so okay. Otherwise, you just check the last term is possible to convert completely in the form of square, and the first term is possible to convert completely in the form of square. The answer is yes. The first term is the variable we using there is a square form. Then you just check the coefficient is also possible to convert in the form of square. Yes. Then you check the last term. The last term is in the form of square. Sometimes answer is yes, otherwise answer is no. If answer is no, you check there is possible to convert in the form of square. If yes, the answer is yes. This very clear. Is possible to apply the identity there. For the factorization, is possible to apply the identity. Okay. Then which identity we follow there? That time we check the sign of the middle. If the sign of the middle term is plus, we apply the first identity. We follow the first identity method. If the sign of the middle is minus, we follow their second identity method. Clear? So here 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Then we checking the 49 is a square, the first term in the form of square, correct? First term is the variable in the form of square. So we check it, the coefficient is also possible to convert in the form of square. Then first term in the variable square form check it coefficient square term convert. Yes, answer is yes. Correct. 49 is the square of 7. That time we check the last term is in the form of square. Yes, variable in the form of square. So we check it. The coefficient is also possible to convert in the form of square. Yes, correct. Yes, 25 is the square of 5. So we got the idea. First term and last term is possible to convert completely in the form of square. First term name, last term name complete in the form convert square formula convert it. So we starting like this. 49 is 7 square. 7 square a square plus 70ab. The 70ab is the middle term, correct? It's not necessary to split 70ab plus 25, we write it like this, 5 square b square. After to write, you just check the 70, the middle term is possible to convert as the product of two. Middle term coefficient middle term നമുക്ക് 2ന്റെ product ആയിട്ട് എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? Just verify that, okay? Then I verifying is possible to convert 70 as a product of 2. Yes, is possible. So next step I write it like this. This one is the form of 7 square a square, that is a raised to m into b raised to m. What is a raised to m into b raised to m? A raised to m into b raised to m is a b whole raised to m. That is 7a whole square plus 70 I split as the product of 2 into 35ab plus this one 5b whole square. Then what is the number? We multiply with the 2, that one is 35. The next we checking 35 is the product of 7 and 5. 35 is the product of 7 and 5. Yes, 35 is the product of 7 and 5. Okay, then we stop there. We are not doing more than this. Then what is this form? Now we got it the form. This one is a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a square plus 2ab plus b square? Yes, we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is expanded form of a plus b whole square. അല്ലേ എന്താണ് മക്കളെ ഇതിപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത് ഏത് ഫോമിലാണോ? a square എക്ക് പകരം എന്താണ് 7a plus 2ab 2ab എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ a 7aയും 5bയും കൂടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താണ് ഏത് 35ab. So 2ab, a means 7a, b means 5b. Okay, the product of 7a and 5b is 35ab. It's not necessary to split, or otherwise if you split it's not a problem. Okay, then 2 into 35ab, that is the form of 2ab plus b square. What is b here? B is 5b. So now we got it, this one in the form of expanded form of a plus b whole square. അത് ഏത് ഫോമിലാണുള്ളത് മക്കളെ? അത് a plus b whole square ന്റെ expanded form ആണ്. So this one is possible to write like this. What is equal to 7a, that is a plus b whole square. What is a? 7a plus b, what is b? 5b whole square. So 7a plus 5b whole square, correct? So we write this like this, 7a square plus 2 into 35ab plus 5b square in the form of 7a plus 5b whole square. Why we use the plus 7a plus 5b? Because the middle term sign is plus. Okay, so we factorizing here, so we need to convert the factors in the form of product. So how do we write? Therefore 7a plus 5b into 7a plus 5. Okay, if we not write like this, the answer is not complete, because the factorization means to convert the given polynomial as a product of factors. ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതിയിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആവില്ല. കാരണം ഫാക്ടറൈസേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിന് എന്തിൻ്റെ ഫോമിലേക്ക് എഴുതുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്, ഫാക്ടേഴ്സിൻ്റെ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിൻ്റെ ഫോമിലേക്ക് എഴുതുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square we factorize. We convert this one as a product of the factors 7a plus 5b into 7a plus 5. Okay, I think the idea is clear. The second question is like this: factorize 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So we starting as usual. How to? 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Then here we checking is possible to do this one by using the identity. Here we use the two variables. No, we use only one variable, that one is y. So next we checking is possible to factorize by using the identity here. Then how do we check that one? First we check the first term. The first term variable is the form of square, correct? So we check the coefficient is possible to write as in the form of square. Yes, it's possible to write, correct? 4 is the square of 2. After we check the last term. Last term is the form of square. Now this one is not in the form of square. Last one is the formula square formula, but is possible to convert as a form of square. But we can square formula. Why? Because 1 is the square of 1. 1 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതിന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ ആണോ? 1 ന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്. Correct? And the middle term 4y. What is the sign of 4y? The sign of the 4y is negative. So here is possible to apply. Here we apply the identity 2. Here we applying is possible to apply the identity 2. That means this polynomial we converting in the form of identity second. So how to write? Is equal to how to write the first term 4y square. How to convert 4 in the form of square? That is 2 square y square minus, just split the 4y as a product of 2. How to write 4 as a product of 2? That is 2 into 2y plus y square. Then you just check 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Yes, 2 into 1 is 2. Correct. Then our splitting is correct. So what is next step? Is equal to, how to write 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y plus 1 square. Correct? 1 square. Then now what is this form? This one is the expanded form of a square minus 2ab. AB means a into b. 2y into 1. What is 2y into 1? That is 2y. Okay? So 2 into ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then what is a square minus 2ab plus b square? That is the expansion of the second identity a minus b whole square. What is a here? A is 2y. What is b here? The b is 1. Then how to write? Is equal to 2y minus 1 whole square. That is a minus b whole square. Is over here? No, it's not over. We factorizing. So the next step is equal to 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. Okay? It's an idea of factorization by using the second identity. Then I think you got it how to be identify the identity, because the second middle term sign, the second term sign is minus. The first term is possible to completely is possible to convert in the form of square. Last term is also possible to convert in the form of square, and the second term sign is minus. Then here is possible to only the identity second. Okay, so we convert the polynomial in the terms of in the form of second identity a minus b whole square. Is it clear? Third question is factorize 25x square minus 49y square. Okay, what is our question? The question, we need to factorize 25x square minus 49y square. Then here we use the two variables. Then it's very clear we need to apply the identity for the factorization. Correct? Then how many terms we have? We have the only two terms. Correct? And the two terms separating by the symbol minus. We have only the two terms, the terms separating by the symbol minus, and the terms are in the form of square. Then it's very clear we need the only one identity is possible to apply there. That one is third. Okay? നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് ടേം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ആ രണ്ട് ടേമിനെയും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സിമ്പിൾ മൈനസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ here is possible to apply the identity 3. Okay, then as usual first we checking the first term is possible to convert completely in the form of square. Yes, how to write 5 square x square minus second term 49 is 7 square y square. Correct? Then 7 square y square. Then how to write the next? Is equal to 5x whole square minus 7y whole square. Then is equal to, now this is very clear in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Correct? What is a? A is 5x. What is b? B is 7y. Then how to write? 5x plus 7y into 5x minus 7y. So here we apply the identity third and we factorize the polynomial 25x square minus 14 and y square. How do we factorize? We convert the given polynomial as the product of factors 5x plus 7y and 5x minus 7y. Okay, so we apply the third identity here. Okay, then one is remaining, am I right? What is that? The fourth identity. The fourth identity's application is splitting middle term. Okay, നാലാമത്തെ ഐഡന്റിറ്റി അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് മക്കളെ ഏത്? Splitting middle term. Clear? Now we discussing and we apply the identity what we already know, correct? Because we already studied in the lower session also the four identities and we apply the four identity in the lower classes. And once again we recall the idea in this class. The next we starting to study the new identities. Okay, so now we go the fifth identity, identity 5. Don't forget, we needed all the identities what are we discussing in the class. Everything have the applications. Okay, I told you we have almost 8 identity, 8 or 10 identities. Okay, then we go next the fifth identity. The fifth identity is like this: x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, what is fifth identity? Fifth identity is we have the three terms x, y, z. That is x plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus z whole square. What is x plus y plus z whole square? That one is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, then example is expand 3a plus 5b plus 2c whole square. In this type of question, they expand the question. Your first steps is to identify the identity. Okay, then how many terms here? The terms, three terms, 3a, 5b, 2c, and the form is the three terms whole square form. Correct? Three terms, they are separating by the symbol plus and whole square form. Then to identify this one is the in the form of which identity? It's very clear. This one is the form of the fifth identity, x plus y plus z whole square. Correct? നമുക്ക് മക്കളെ ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. നമുക്ക് മൂന്ന് ടേം ഉണ്ട്. മൂന്ന് ടേമും എന്ത് ഫോമിലുള്ളത്? ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഫോം അല്ലെ. മൂന്ന് ടേമും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എന്ത് ഫോമിലാണുള്ളത്? ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഫോമിലാണുള്ളത്. സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ചിലപ്പോൾ പ്ലസ് ആവാം, ചിലപ്പോൾ മൈനസ് ആവാം. വി വിൽ ലേൺ later. Okay, then we have the three terms and is in the form of a whole square is very clear. മൂന്ന് ടേം ഉണ്ട്. ആ മൂന്ന് ടേമിനെയും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എന്ത് ഫോമിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഫോമിലാണെങ്കിൽ, മൂന്ന് ടേം ഉണ്ട്. ആ മൂന്ന് ടേമിനെയും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ഒരു ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഫോമിലാണെങ്കിൽ this is very clear. We need to apply there the fifth identities. Okay, fifth identity. So what is the fifth identity? That one is x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, then what is next step? Next we identify the identity, then we write that one x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so what is x here? X is 3a. What is y here? Y is 5b. What is z? Z is 2c. Correct? So therefore 3a plus 5b plus 2c whole square is equal to, first term is x square. X square means 3a whole square plus, what is second term? Second term is 5b, then 5b whole square plus, what is z square? That is 2c whole square plus, 2 into x, x means 3a, to y, y means 5b, 2 into, correct, 2 into y, y means 5b, 2 into zx, then 2 into z, 2c, what is c, what is z, x, what is zx, zx means z is 2c, what is x, x is 3a, equal to 3a whole square. How to write? 3 square is 9, 9a square plus 5b square, 4c square plus, to multiply 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30, 38, 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 BC, 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 CA, 12 CA is same as 12 AC. Then what is the expanded form of 3a plus 5b plus 2c whole square? That one is 9a square plus 25b square plus 4c square plus 30ab plus 20bc plus 12ac. Okay? Then just like we apply the fifth identity to expand the polynomial. Our next question is like this. Expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Correct? Then we know for to expand, first we need to identify the identity. Correct? Then how do we identify the identity? For that, first we check it how many terms there. How many terms? 3 terms. Okay? And 3 terms are separating by the simple minus. We not consider now the minus. The 3 terms and they are separating and in the form of square form, whole square form. Correct? നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും മക്കളെ ആദ്യം എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ആദ്യം ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എന്താണ് എന്നുള്ളത് കൺഫേം ചെയ്യണം. അത് നമ്മൾ ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ? അപ്പോൾ ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എന്താണെന്ന് ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് നോക്കും? ഇതിൽ എത്ര ടേം ഉണ്ട്? അതിനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സിമ്പിൾ പ്ലസോ മൈനസോ എന്തോ ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, എത്ര ടേം ഉണ്ട്? 3 ടേം ഉണ്ട്. 3 ടേമും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എന്ത് ഫോമിലാണുള്ളത്? സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് whole square ഫോമിലാണുള്ളത്. Then we have the 3 terms and separating by the simple and it last finally we getting the form of whole square form. Correct? So it's very clear we need to apply their fifth identity. Okay? But we know that the fifth identity is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. That means the terms are separating by the symbol plus. But here the terms are separating by the symbol minus. So for to getting the exact form, the general form, the standard form of fifth identity, we convert all the minus as plus minus. Clear? We convert all the minus as plus minus. Then how do we write? We write the next like this. 4a, we write like this, 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square is equal to, how do we write this one? 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c whole square. Now it's very clear this one in the form of fifth identity x plus y plus z whole square. Correct? So it's possible to identify the identity. Then we got the identity. Then we write that one, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Then therefore 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c whole square is equal to, what is x? X is 4a. So we are writing 4a whole square plus what is y? Y is minus 2b. Minus 2b whole square plus what is z? Z is minus 3. Minus 3c whole square plus 2 into xy. Xy means 4a into minus 2b 2yz. Yz means 2 into minus 2b into minus 3c plus 2 into zx. Z means minus 3c. Minus 3c into what is x? X is 4. Is equal to a whole square is 16a square. Minus 2b square. What is minus 2 square? Minus 2 square is 4. 4b square. This one minus 3 square is 9. 9c square. Then we multiply 2 into 4. 8. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. Minus 16ab. 2 into minus 2. What is 2 into minus 2? Is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. 12 BC. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 into 4 minus 24. 24 CA. Minus 24 CA or AC. Okay. Then is equal to how to write 16A square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 16ab 12bc minus 24c or AC. Expanded form of 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c whole square, or 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square expanded form is this: 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 16ab plus 12bc minus 24a. You got the idea about the fifth identity and how to we use the fifth identity for to expand